Hey guys, Jared here again with Print Your Future. So today's video is going to be probably not the quickest. I'll try to cut it down a lot, but today what I'm going to be doing is making a battery storage box for batteries for my Canon 80D. So the Canon 80D uses these LP-E6 and E6W batteries. So what I'm going to be doing is making a box similar to like this one that I did for my was this a Nikon S9900, and all it is just a box with slots in it that you can put your batteries in. These ones are pretty tight in there, but so you just store extra batteries so that you can just grab all your extra batteries and throw them into your bag and go. For this one, I'm also going to be making a top that goes over it so that it keeps all the dust and stuff off, which was one of the issues that I had with these. But before we get started, there's going to be a couple tools that we're going to need to get the right sizes and everything. We're going to use a set of calipers to measure the battery. We will be taking a picture. I'm just going to use my Canon or my Sony NEX7 to take a picture of the battery. We will then be using the Fusion 360, Autodesk Fusion 360 to do the actual design. We'll just extrude a duplicate version of the battery, and then we'll go ahead and just throw it in Simplified 3D, or not Simplified 3D, but Tinkercad, just because it's a really easy program to use to do stuff like this. Then you just make a box around it and you turn the batteries into cutaways so that when you finish it up and you put it all together, it becomes a little box. So we'll go ahead and do this real quick. So before we get started again, I'm going to go ahead and take a picture of this battery, upload it into the computer, and we'll start tracing from there. Okay guys, so here we are in Fusion 360. All I'm doing is I just imported the photo that I took, made it about 50% transparent so that I can see the see through it and everything. And then I'm just kind of orienting it along the red line there. Just going to go ahead and try to scale it up a bit, make sure that the scaling is proper, and then from there I'm just going to go ahead and trace around it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and create an entity and go ahead and extrude it out to the dimensions that I need for the battery. And after that, I'm just going to go ahead and export this as an STL file. Alright guys, so here we are in Tinkercad now. I just import the STL that I exported from the Fusion 360. Don't mind my computer. Sorry I'm going real quick through these videos. I don't want this video to run on too long. But all I'm doing is I'm just going to go ahead and import this battery. I'm going to orient it in the proper direction. Then I'm just going to create 5 of them. Then I'm going to create a box around them. So I'm going to lift the batteries up off the plane a little bit. Then I'll use the tool to make a cutaway with the batteries, so the batteries will cut into the box. Then that just leaves you with a perfectly matched hole for your batteries to go into. And then I'm going to make a cover for it. Like I said, this one took a little bit of back and forth. I ended up printing it twice. Also, my power went out, so technically it's 3 altogether. It's just I had to quickly remove the other one and get it printing again. So I'm just going to write ADD on the side of the box so that I know which camera these batteries go to. And then we'll go ahead and just send this on over to the Octoprint server and go ahead and get these printed. So let's go ahead and watch some time lapse. And again, I'm sorry about the quality. I'm just using the Logitech camera on the Octoprint itself as the time lapse for this video. So
shut up and sit down. Shut up and sit down.
Alright guys, so here it is. This is the finished product. I had to do a little bit of extra tweaking. Forgot to take into account that when you make a lid for something, just by doing a push-pull, you have to take into account the extra 0.4 to 6 millimeters of extrusion from when it actually places the plastic down. So the first lid that I printed was too small, so it would just set on the top. But got pretty well dialed in, so it sounded pretty good. With PLA, as you work stuff in and out, it gets a little bit easier. But the main box itself, again, it holds 5. They're perfect fit. There's no rattling around really of the batteries inside. A little bit of side to side, but front and back, it's perfect. You know, setting it up so so using a drawing or a picture when you're going to make your template and then measuring it out really works well for me. But I am overall very happy. It's actually been a couple days since this finished. You're looking at about a 24-hour print for both pieces at the settings that I use. It's about 12 hours, give or take, for the top, 12 hours for the bottom. But like I said, I am happy with it. I took this with me over the weekend for a shoot. Went on a little trip to a buffalo mozzarella farm. And yeah, it was nice to just have the batteries in the bottom of my bag. All I do is look for the white box, and it was good to go. So if you guys liked the video, please let me know. If there's anything that you'd like to see on this channel, please also let me know. Next video is going to be getting my blue CR tent up and running again. It's got a fried board in it, so I've got the new board. So we'll go ahead and install that, and then we're going to get that printer up and going, and then we'll do a couple modifications to it. Other than that, yeah, I'm just going to keep printing stuff that's hopefully useful. I know stuff that's useful for me, that's why I print it. So if you guys just let me know. Thanks guys.